Alright guys, so this is Bo-Kaap. As you can see right behind of me, the houses are full of colors. This is Bo-Kaap. It's very unique thing of having many different colors house in the same hood. Okay, and Table Mountain at the background right there. You can see. Let's explore together.
Bump, the lady's holding her hands against her chest like she's praying, and that last bump, that is her head going down to her hair, and that is the mother of Cape Town looking up to the skies of our city. From the Wegem, first big bump that comes out over there, you're going to see there's a big bump, that's the lady's shoes. Next bump, you're going to see there's the lady's hands all against her chest like she's praying. That last bump, that is her head going down to her hair, and that is the mother of Cape Town.
Oh, hello! Like and subscribe. Comment below.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
One day and 3 days is cheaper.
Yeah.
We get all lots of things.
Alright guys. Auntie, what is your mother language over there?
Oh, Spanish.
Spanish.
Yes.
Oh, ¿cómo estás?
Yes, ¿cómo estás? Hola,
Gracias.
¿cómo estás?
Karibu Tanzania. What's up guys, what's up my people, this is Wegem. Welcome back to the new video. In case if you're a new one, make sure you don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Man, today is a very special day. We are going to do walk tour around town, you know. Are you ready? We are going to see like deep down around this city. Let me show you what is going on right here. We're going to do this historical city tour, but after this we do this. Okay, so just stay tuned. We'll subscribe to the channel and let's travel together.
This way.
Okay, thank you bro.
Please, no recording allowed.
Okay, it's not allowed.
Yeah. Please, no recording allowed.
Okay, it's not allowed.
Yeah. Please, no recording allowed.
Okay, it's not allowed.
Yeah.
After that, I asked her why it's not allowed. Then she didn't give me any reason. That means it was her own reason. Then I met with another. I cancelled with her. Period. I was like, let me go find another tour guide. When I met him, he told me that no, I think she was not happy with the camera. She was not comfortable with the camera. So it's not like it's not allowed around the city to vlog or to take a picture. This is a tourist city. You must take a picture as much as you can or do a video so that you can go and show your friends and relatives where you go.
You're going to see on this side wall, these are the beautiful cardinal birds. They're from North America. That's the beautiful cardinal. From North
I think you can take me a picture here.
Look straight along the side of the mountain, you can actually see a lady lying on her back. So from the Wegem, the first big bump that comes out over there is the lady's shoes. The next bump, the lady's holding her hands against her chest like she's praying. And that last bump, that is her head going down to her hair, and that is the mother of Cape Town looking up to the skies of our city. From the Wegem, first big bump that comes out over there, you're going to see there's a big bump, that's the lady's shoes. Next bump, you're going to see there's the lady's hands all against her chest like she's praying. That last bump, that is her head going down to her hair, and that is the mother of Cape Town. Now, Bo-Kaap, like any other area in the world, is also fighting against the effects of gentrification. If you had to go up this road over here, you're going to go to the Tano Baru. This is where the Holy Karamat's are, and the first formal cemetery site of Islam that opened in 1807. Now
because of this sun, you're supposed to stand this. Because I'm in the shadow, you must be this side also. Yeah, even the camera must be in the to the shadow so you can take it like, yeah. Yeah. Okay, sorry. And let me give you a short story about this Bo-Kaap. Okay. Maybe you may ask yourself why these houses are full of colors, like every house has its own color. Back in the years, first of all, you have to know these houses, they were stained by slavery. I mean, slaves were stained in these houses. And the rule was, say, these houses must all be white houses. So, since slaves got a right to buy these houses, they decided to put their own color. So their own color and the very bright colors as a sign of freedom, like now we are free, not like before. Alright, we'll keep exploring. In the Bo-Kaap street. It's a very famous street here in South Africa. The street which is full of color, every corner. All houses are full of color, different colors, as you can see. And maybe you may want to know, is it safe to walk at night? The answer is, Bo-Kaap is generally safe during the day, guys. You must know that. You shouldn't, though you shouldn't walk alone, and you should always be vigilant. That's all, okay? And going on a walking tour is a great way to stay safe in the neighborhood. Don't walk about after dark. Take an Uber instead. Okay, guys? You have to take that note. It will help you. The city is beautiful like this, but you must make sure that you have a group of tour, like just take a walk tour like this. As we were in the group, you see, we were something like 15 people with our tour guide, showing us around how the place is looking like. So at least for that way, it's a bit safer than walking alone. Because when you are a stranger around here, they will know that you are strange. Okay. Let's explore. 1, 2, 3. The street is full of different color, every corner. Okay, I come from Tanzania. Thank you very much. Yeah.
From Kilimanjaro?
Yeah. Actually, that is the highest mountain in Africa. 3 different countries, like from Holland, South Africa, and Tanzania. Taking them.
Yo, well, enjoy your stay.
Okay, enjoy too.
Subscribe to Wegem DC.
Everything is full booked.
Welcome to David.
Alright. We're coming from somewhere there. Woo! Okay. Can you say hello to my audience?
Hi.
Yeah.
I'm Crystal.
Crystal.